KPIX 5 News at 5 begins right now, tracking what could be the wettest storm yet this winter. Good evening, I'm Veronica Dela Cruz.
And I'm Alan Martin. An atmospheric river expected to bring heavy rain and gusty winds to the entire Bay Area. By this time tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be in the thick of a treacherous commute. The majority of the Bay Area could get an inch of rain in less than 6 hours. It's been a wet, gloomy day. This is what it looked like on our tower cameras. Drivers having to take it easy on slick roads all day long. Steady rain was falling in San Jose, and nearly everybody we saw had their umbrellas out and their jackets on.
There are concerns tonight about flooding in the campfire burn zone. An evacuation warning was just issued for the community of Polga, where the fire started. The concern is mudslides on hills that have no vegetation to hold back the soil. We have team coverage on preparations for the storm and some Bay Area trouble spots. First, let's get you to Chief Meteorologist Paul Deanno tracking when the heaviest rain will start. Paul?
We have a lot to talk about. We have a storm coming tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. The rain we got today was the appetizer before the main event tomorrow. Still a few pockets of steady rainfall, although far fewer than a few hours ago. Santa Cruz Mountains, one of those spots, stretching back to Los Gatos and Saratoga. And also some moderate rain continues from Middletown, south on Highway 29 to Calistoga, St. Helena and Yountville. Cloverdale also getting some steady rain. 3-hour time lapse shows lots of snow in the Sierra, lots of rain earlier today for the Bay Area. It will be heavier. It will be more widespread tomorrow. Let me show you Futurecast. We go into scattered shower mode tonight and tomorrow morning. Watch the change by 3 o'clock tomorrow. That's when the heavy rain begins first in the North Bay. Watch the radar at 8 o'clock tomorrow night. That is the wettest hour, where it's pouring heavy rain just about everywhere and likely some strong winds throughout the Bay Area as well. Because the ground got saturated from today's rain and heavy rain is forecast for tomorrow, a flash flood watch is in effect for the entire Bay Area tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. The biggest risk will be road and highway flooding. The mountains, heavy snow is likely between 5,000 and 7,000 feet in elevation below lake level and right around lake level. 2 or 3 feet of new snow by Friday morning. Look at what happens above 7,000 feet in elevation. 5 to 7 feet of snow is likely. Very strong winds. Blizzard conditions are likely beginning this time tomorrow in the mountains. And we also have been talking about winds. The lower elevations under a wind advisory, our mountains and coastline under a high wind warning for wind gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. So today's rain is tapering off right now. Very wet, very windy tomorrow. That storm moves in from 3 o'clock to 11 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Scattered thunderstorms are possible. Strong winds are likely and soaking rainfall. So a stormy day is in the offing for tomorrow. We'll talk about specific rainfall totals coming up in a few minutes.
All right, Paul, let's talk about those coastal mountains. The rain already bringing some dangerous road conditions up in the Santa Cruz Mountains this evening. KPIX 5's Wilson Walker live along Highway 17 right near the summit. And Wilson, got a sign of things to come here?
Look, it has been a terribly messy day already here, Alan, and yeah, the worst of it still very much to come.
Yeah, all day long we've been going to wrecks.
Just as soon as the steady rain arrived, so did the steady stream of accidents, and the highway patrol now preparing for a lot more of this.
You know, going out in your shift, you making sure you have plenty of flares and everything else that you're going to need throughout the day, because you know you're going to be going to call after call after call.
And of course, it's not just Highway 17. There are preparations underway across the Bay Area.
Yeah, we got a call on our board that they're requesting for these drains to get cleared.
In San Francisco, we found crews racing to prevent street flooding. And if you have never watched them take one of those giant vacuum hoses to a storm drain, it is hard to understand just how much gunk can pile up in there. We're talking several feet of trash and mud.
What happens is all the debris gets caught up in these CBs or catch basins.
So with the rain coming like we're going to have over the next 24 hours, this one wouldn't have made it.
The way it looks, no. This eventually would have clogged up and caused some type of ponding in this intersection.
Guess the challenge is get to as many of these as you can before the rain gets worse.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look, you know, traffic problems, just one end of the concerns up here. You've got high winds coming in the next couple days. They're worried about everything on up to mudslides. So really the next 36 hours promising to be a pretty intense experience up here in the Santa Cruz Mountains. On Highway 17, Wilson Walker, KPIX 5.